Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make your Gmail emails available offline on your desktop. This is super handy for accessing your emails when you don't have an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu, then select See All Settings. Now, click on the Offline tab in the Settings menu. Check the box next to Enable Offline Mail. You'll see some options here. As you can see, you will need some free storage space on your computer for setting offline mail on your computer. Now, below, choose how many days of emails you want to store offline. You can choose between 7, 30, or 90 days. Decide if you want to download attachments for offline use by checking or unchecking the box. And last option is to choose what to do after logging out of your Google account. For security options, you can choose to keep offline data on your computer or remove it when you log out of your Google account. Select the option that best suits your needs. Once you've configured everything, click Save Changes at the bottom. Again, confirm by clicking Got It button. That's it. Your Gmail is now set up for offline use. Remember to bookmark mail.google.com for easy access. Emails you send will be queued and sent automatically when you reconnect to the internet. Make sure you have enough storage on your computer for the offline data, and be mindful of the security settings if you're using a shared or public computer. I will turn off Wi-Fi to show you how this works. To access your emails offline, just go to mail.google.com as you normally would, or just open bookmark you created. You can read, respond to, and search your emails even without an internet connection. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.